Welcome back, guys. Today we're here with ISEE here again. All right, so this is the packaging, and then as you can see, once I open the box, I see the wig. I got a pair of HD wig caps, also got a extra elastic band, adjustable elastic band, a pair of lashes, and then we got into the wig. I'm gonna be sure to put the specific name of this curly bob down in my description box. This is how the inside looks. It has a removable comb in the back. All right, love that. It's also very secure, so you don't have to worry about it slipping out really easily. There is a curvature for the ear portion, which makes the wig sit very nice and comfortable on the head, and there's an adjustable elastic band on the inside of the cap, which makes the wig super secure. The knots on this lace closure bob is bleached, it's pre-plucked, pre-cut, all of that. The curls are nice and silky once I take it out of the packaging as well. And as you can see, as I said, this is a bob. As you can see, it has highlighted portions in it. I think the color job is lovely. I went ahead and slipped it on, as you can see, and I'm just removing a bit of the excess lace that has absolutely no hair on it. This will minimize the cast in the front of the hairline there. So as I said, please check my description box for the specification of this wig, so you can see the length, the density, you know, the name, all that good stuff, the lace closure size. This is a completely glueless bob, so this is perfect for my beginners. I proceeded to, you know, kind of just styling it the way I wanted it to be. So the initial look that I wanted to go for was just to fluff this hair up even more. You know, I think this is perfect for the summertime, and I know a lot of my girlies love a big curly look. I think this wig is perfect for that. Like, look at me as I run my fingers through the wig, it gets bigger and bigger, and it looks so gorgeous. You can see the excitement on my face, but it is literally so nice. So what I noticed is once I fluffed it out more, you can see that the ends were a little bit there were just a few pieces that I needed to be evened out, so I did go in further down while fluffing it out, and do so I did get shedding as well. All right, so do expect shedding, but it's not a lot. It is not a lot. The hair was really easy to detangle as well. Please bear in mind, this is processed. As you can see, there are portions that are highlighted, as I said. So yes, it did undergo some level of processing, so those portions did feel a little coarser, but it wasn't like extreme. The hair was still nice and soft and very manageable, despite it being a curly texture. Obviously it's a looser curly texture, so it's not too hard to maneuver, so I love that. But as I run my fingers through this, it gets prettier and prettier. And yeah, man, ISEE here definitely did it with this wig. It's super convenient too. I just feel like this is a look. It's like I can't walk on the ceiling. Oh yeah, got me dreaming in colors I never dreamed in. Oh yeah, I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces, took them all and made them yours. Didn't know what my heartbeat needed, skipping out, no I can't keep score. When I lose my breath, boy, you got me breathing. Oh, every little thing you do, every time. Once I'm done with fluffing it, I go in with my face powder to help further camouflage the hairline portion, so there's not much cast. All right, an extra step you could take to cancel out even more of the cast is tying down that portion with a elastic headband or so. That way it will make everything kind of melt in more, even though there's absolutely no adhesive there. So that's just a tip. Once I'm finished with that, I decided that okay, now I want to go ahead and redefine those curls a little bit, but I do not want the hair to be flat. I still want to maintain the volume, so I did go in with just some water. That's step number one. Don't apply any heavy products. That way your hair will be able to dry up and fluff up back pretty easy. I went in with a wide tooth comb. I find that this really helps with maintaining a more fluffy look rather than using a brush. So I went in with that wide tooth comb and I just ran it throughout the wig. And then I pretty much proceeded to let the hair air dry.
It's like I can't walk on the ceiling. Oh yeah, got me dreaming, dreaming in colors I never dreamed in. Oh yeah, I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces, took them all and made them yours. Didn't know what my heartbeat needed, skipping out. No, I can't keep score when I lose my breath. Boy, you got me breathing. Oh, every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Oh.
This is how the hair looks after I allow it to air dry. You see, the curls definitely have that defined look. You know, it is gorgeous and it's super full and voluminous. I cannot complain. That is lovely. So I wanted to go ahead and just try out a hairstyle. So I did this like mid half up, half down with it, and even though it's a closure wig, it came off pretty nicely. You'd think I'm wearing a frontal wig. No, this looks good, I can't lie. But yeah, that's the one look I did with it. I did go ahead and do a flip over vibe after that, and this is how we're looking. This wig is absolutely stunning. Shout out to ISEE here for today's bob. It's perfect for the summertime. As I said, I'm gonna be sure to put all the specifications, the direct link to this wig down below. If there's any sale, any deal, that will be listed. But yes, that's it for today's wig look. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.